Hey everyone, in this part, I'll show you how to transfer your contacts from one iPhone to another using iCloud, which is the easiest and smoothest method. Let's get right into it. First, make sure both iPhones are connected to Wi-Fi and signed into the same Apple ID. That part is important. If the Apple IDs are different, the contacts won't sync. Now, on both phones, open the Settings app and tap on your name at the top of the screen. This takes you into your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on iCloud. When you're inside of the iCloud menu, look for the option labeled Contacts and make sure the switch is turned on. It should be green. If it's off, turn it on. When you do this, your contacts will start uploading to iCloud from your old phone. If a message pops up asking whether you want to merge contacts, tap Merge. This keeps everything together and avoids losing any saved numbers. Now just give it a moment. If you have a lot of contacts, the sync may take a little while. Once the upload finishes, go to your new iPhone, stay in the same iCloud settings, and make sure that Contacts is also turned on. As soon as it's enabled, your contacts will begin downloading automatically from iCloud into the new phone. You don't have to press anything else. The sync happens in the background. Just leave it connected to Wi-Fi for a couple of minutes, and your contacts will appear in the phone app just like before. And that's it. Your contacts are now successfully transferred. If you found this helpful, stick around because I've got more quick tutorials just like this coming up. See you in the next one.